Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and it is my one of the ways to do practice for my spoken English. Because of some issues, I was not get time to perform my this practice very well. And whenever I got time, I just made videos for uploading. Otherwise, I'm not. Yes, means I was not able to get my best. So, but today I got time and I'm here to. I want to tell you something that as I told you that it is a practice, and yes, I'm just doing my practice for making me better, for overcoming my mistakes. And as I told you that I faced some issues. Because of some issues I learned lots of things, and I want to be share with you. See, we all have some negative side. I mean, negative side means, see, I'm not here to tell you that we have a negative side means we are a bad people. But I mean, negative side for ourselves, like we are not able to get ourselves to start anything, to start any journey, to take efforts for us. Okay, so on that purpose we don't have. I mean, we the negative side of us, that we have negative thoughts, we have negative mindset. I mean, because of that fear also we are not able to come out, and so we are not able to come out, and we are not able to get starting our journey, we are not able to take first step. Okay, so in that sense I'm talking about, like, if I am giving an example to you of me, like when I started my this journey, I have lots of negative side. I mean, like, these are the negative things, these are the negative aspects. Those were not helping me, those were against me, like whenever I wanted to start. But because of that fear, because of negativity, I always took back me from that starting point, from that efforts. So because therefore a comfort zone also, because like I was not able to come out from that comfortable zone. So I'm just talking about these negative impact, I mean negative side. So we all have, I mean, there is no need to be worried, that we all have these negativity and negative aspects and negative side. So we have to be one thing, that we have to embrace all these negative sides, and make sure that make sure yourself that you are going to overcome these negative sides one by one. Like, see, like when I started my journey, I have biggest fear to speak. Like, what mindset I had at that time. Like, I was Haryanvi, and if I started Haryanvi, that Haryanvi tone was a biggest barrier for me. And because of I didn't have that environment, so it was also a biggest barrier for me. And I just started, lots of people had, I mean, I started feeling inferior. Okay, like all people have more knowledge than me, I didn't have any knowledge. And how I started, I should have learned something, then I have to start. So all these negativity I had. But like now, like what I did, I know that I'm a Haryanvi, and I'm used to speak my this native language. And yes, I didn't have any environment, but I made my environment with myself, spending lots of time with English. And yes, I told you that I do lots of practices. And then, like, I embraced all the negativity that I had, and I just wanted to try to overcome these negativity one by one, by doing practices, by spending time with me, like how can I improve. So these are the things I did. Okay, and like as I see me, like now it's a lots of changes in me, I'm telling you. So these are the things I did with me. And yes, so I just want to be tell you one thing, that please embrace your negativity and just try to improve them. No, there is no need to be afraid of your negativity, your negative side. Just work on them and started growing. Okay, these are the things I want to tell you. Thank you so much for appreciating me, it's really really means to me. Thank you. Jai Hind.